This is the DualSense Edge controller for the PlayStation 5. Let's open it up and see what's inside. The DualSense Edge is a Pro-style controller that offers the player more customization and performance options. In the box, you get a nice carrying case, the controller itself, a handful of stick and button options to swap in and out, a USB-C cable for charging, and a connector housing. Pro controllers, like this one, let you remove the analog sticks to change their height, add back buttons for additional inputs, and adjust the trigger pull distances. The controller feels pretty similar to the original DualSense, but also has a nice textured grip on the back of the handles. It also has a window on the case that you can flip open to charge the controller while it's housed inside. There's a ton of software customization options as well, which we'll get into in the full review coming soon. The DualSense Edge and everything here retails for around $200.